leather everything this fall. Nice black jacket. Right, just got back from the gym. Good morning, happy Monday. It's a new week and it's a new vlog. Welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, if you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, it helps me out so much. And follow me on Instagram, I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. Whew. So today is Monday and I'm still in my pajamas. I had a really fun weekend, but now this week is going to be busy, and this weekend is Halloween and we're having a last minute little thing. So I've been spent all morning working and then buying a last minute Halloween costume. So I have two options of a bunch of little random things from Amazon. I'll link everything that I got down below, but hopefully one of them will work. Anyway, I'm going to get dressed. It's a glasses day today because this weekend my eyes were just... Anyway, glasses day today, so this is as good as it's gonna get up here, but I'm gonna get dressed and then I can open an exciting package with you guys. Let me get dressed. All right, we're going very simple and cute. So these are just little biker shorts because this isn't quite long enough to be like a little sweater dress, but just a little Zara cardigan that I tied. Cute and comfy and casual for my little work day. Now, let me open that bad boy. I'm wearing my Sophia hoops today, which are these big bad boys. These always make me feel a little bit put together on my like not so put together days, which is today. Okay, so like I said, I have a big H&M haul for you guys here, and I don't know what I ordered, which is the best packages to order. So let's bust into this bad boy. All right, I'm seeing some leather. We like that. Leather everything this fall. I don't know why, but it's just how it is. Okay, so this is a pair of leather leggings. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, why did I buy these? Because I have a pair of really nice leather leggings that are like tight leather leggings, but these are flare, but they're still leggings. They have a little slit in the front. These feel really nice. They have a nice little band. The leather feels nice. Of course, it's vegan. We don't do that here. Some white knit, which is always a good sign for fall / winter. Oh, of course. Okay, so I have this in another color and I'm obsessed with it. And when I ordered the other color, I thought that I got the white as well, but apparently I didn't because it never came. So I got this little white shawl. This is like a staple for me. I love it. I love wearing tank tops and then layering on top of them because I don't like when my sleeves get too bulky. So having a tank top and then putting a little sweater shawl on it is just amazing. Oh, this is adorable. What did I get? Okay, look at how cute. This is like Upper East Side, old money, Gossip Girl. Oh, that's cute. Okay. This reminds me of my grandmother, which my grandmother was chic, and she had a lot of these type of like jackets. Look how cute. It's white and black. Like if it's not styled right, yeah, it could look a little like for an older age, but I think it's just adorable. Again, like very Upper East Side Gossip Girl, which is my vibe this fall. All right, and then of course just a little sweater. This feels really nice. I swear H&M's quality is just really going up and up and up for me. I wanted just a little tiny knit to wear under blazers and stuff, so this is just a white one, but it feels great quality. Did I get a darker pair of jeans? Who am I? Wow, I kind of like them though. I'm really feeling like this kind of dark jean with a nice sweater could be really cute. I'm glad I got these. This is a 90s straight cut, so just straight. But yeah, I'm feeling like this darker color could look really cute with like a fun pop. Here's what I'm seeing, okay? My Raven vision here is these jeans, maybe a pop stiletto, maybe an Amino Muaddi heel because she has all those colors, and then just even like a white turtleneck or a black turtleneck or like a little sweater, like something just very simple and fun. Oh, Brooks is trying to eat my clothes. Okay. How do you feel? Is this a good vibe or a not liking it vibe? Can't tell. How do you feel about this? Okay. All right, let's continue with our haul. Sorry, B, sorry. I moved the paper. He really hates paper. Okay, I actually think I only have a few more things here, but I think there's a coat, which is why it's such a big package. Ooh, this feels very nice. Okay, this is like a nice work pant, but it's more like elasticated and stretchy. Boot cut, high waist, color black. Oh yeah, these will be great. I love a boot cut in like a nice tailored pant. Oh, it's got like a fake fly. Some little fake pockets or rib pockets? Fake pockets, but the material is very cozy. So if you want to be like more cozy, I think for work, this is a great piece. Not that I go to a real office. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, so this I got, I'm looking for like a lot of more oversized blazers. And I got this one in a large. And it looks nicely oversized. And it's a black, what's this called? Pinstripe? It's like a charcoaly black pinstripe. The buttons are like a little cheapy, but for my style, just like fun fashion, it doesn't need to be the nicest blazer ever, so I think this is a good one. Last thing here, looks like a big coat. So let's see. It's a black trench coat, or no, these are not a trench coat. It's like a pea coat. I forget what kind of coat these are, but I love these type. I have really, really nice ones from Zara. They make great ones, but I didn't have a black one. So I figured I would try this out. It feels nice. It's not as warm or heavy as my other ones, which honestly could be nice because especially for right now, it's cold. It's in like the 50s, 60s, but it's not that cold. So this could be a nice black jacket with the tie. Goes all the way down. Really great staple and affordable. So we love that. Okay. That was my H&M haul. All right, just got back from the gym. I did a nice Peloton workout. Oh, my head hurts. And I'm gonna shower, but before I do, I'm gonna make my lemon ginger tonic. I just posted a video today, actually, of the recipe of this. It's not really a recipe because I kind of wing it, but it's basically just lemon and ginger, and then I do hot water and a little bit of honey, and it's like an immunity booster. It helps with my digestion. It feels really great. So I'm gonna, and I just ran out, so I'm just gonna make some more, and then we're gonna probably make a HelloFresh order today, and I'm gonna shower, and then that'll be my Monday. But let's do the lemon ginger tonic now, because this ginger's looking worse for wear. All right, we're having HelloFresh tonight. We made the pork carnitas tacos. Here's all the sides, the Monterey Jack cheese. diced tomatoes, cilantro, lime, 2 lime spindrifts, and here are all the tacos. Oh, and then we have pickled onions and this Chipotle Southwestern crema. And that is dinner.